The Keurig K Mini is a small and compact single-serve coffee maker that brews K-cup pods in multiple sizes. The Keurig K15 brews a rich, smooth, and delicious cup every time, with the quality you expect from Keurig. Simple touch buttons make your brewing experience stress-free, and because fresh water is added for each individual brew, the K15 coffee maker is portable and travel-friendly. Whether you like your coffee strong, mild, decaf, or flavored, you can brew all of your favorites with the Keurig K15. Discover hundreds of K-Cup pod varieties from all of the brands you love, including Green Mountain Coffee, Starbucks, and Lipton, and enjoy coffee, tea, hot cocoa, and more. The K-Mini is available in a variety of fun colors to complement any decor, and also compatible with the Keurig Classic Series My K-Cup reusable coffee filter, so you can brew your own ground coffee. The K-Mini means coffee house taste in your own home. Keurig single-serve coffee makers are expertly engineered to deliver a consistently delicious beverage experience, giving you the same great taste cup after cup. You can create and customize your perfect beverage at the touch of a button, and prepare coffee, tea, cocoa, and more just the way you like it. All Keurig brewers also dispense hot water, adding to their versatility.